Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Designs by Trish. Hey, how many of us have gone into the stores and seen these plastic serving trays? I mean, you can go to Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all the different stores that actually sell party goods will have plastic serving trays. They come in all different colors, they come in all different shapes and sizes. And I happened to be in Walmart one day and ran up on this gold one. So I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with it at first, but I'm like, you know what? This would be really pretty on an ottoman or a dresser or, table or something. So I picked it up and it hit me to go to Home Depot to pick up some drawer pulls. And so I picked up these two and they were like $3.46, $3.42, something like that, but very reasonable. So I picked those up and I've added them to the tray. And guys, when I tell you it just took the tray up to a whole nother level. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm just in love. I'm just in love with my tray. Look at this. Just gorgeous. Another store that actually sells party goods is Posh Party Supplies. And they have serving trays. And they had this really pretty white and gold one that I'm going to purchase. This one here. And I just put those knobs on there on my computer to see what it will look like. And I absolutely love it. So that's going to be my next project. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Please like and subscribe. Bye.